Khalil Gibran said, "Safeguarding the rights of others is the most noble end of a human being." I'm Becky Heinzelman. I have three brothers, two that are older and one that is younger than me. Despite being the only girl, I've always been the most protective of my family, friends, and then just others in general who may not have the voice to speak up for themselves. So when I was 3 and my youngest brother was 2, he did something to get in trouble, and my mom was going to come discipline him. So I decided to keep him from getting in trouble. I was going to hide him behind a pile of pillows and just sit in front of that pile of pillows and pretend that he wasn't there. So my mom came in the room, and she was asking, "Where is he?" I just kept saying, "I don't know." It finally got to the point to where she just had to walk out of the room because she was trying not to laugh at us. When I was in the 1st grade and John was in kindergarten, I was told to go find him after school. So I walked outside and I found him outside of the school, and he was surrounded by some 8th graders. So I walked over there and I found out they were making fun of him. So of course I get angry. And I start yelling at them and saying, "They're stupid, they're annoying, they need to leave my little brother alone or I was going to push them off the wall." And after that whole little speech, I grabbed my brother and we just stomped away and I walked back into the school. As we got older, I started finding different ways to kind of protect him and keep him from getting in trouble. So I found that whenever he was getting disciplined or yelled at by one of our elders or whatever, I would constantly start yelling and screaming and doing things to get myself in trouble, so he would avoid getting disciplined and I would get disciplined instead. I'm currently a social work major. I'm graduating in December. I hope to get my license, and hopefully I'll have a position at DHR while I'm working on my master's. I'm still very protective, and I think that's a big reason why I chose a social work field. I think it's very important for those of us that can speak up to speak up for those that can't, and that's really what I want to do with my future and my career, is to advocate and protect those that need it.